Hello kids! Today we are going to learn something new. We are going to learn to frame new words. So are you all excited and ready? Come on, let's begin. Now children, look at the A column. We have few letters like B, C, F, M, P and V. In the second column, we have letter A. And in the third column, we have letter N. Now come on everybody, take the first column and take the first letter. That is B. Second column, we have A. So take the letter A. And now third column, we have N. So take letter N. So B-A-N. B-A-N is ban. So a new word is formed, that is ban. In the same manner, second letter C. C-A-N. Can. F-A-N. Fan. M-A-N. Man. P-A-N. Pan. V-A-N. Van. Now look at the B one. We have letters D, H, M, P and T. So D-E-N, den. H-E-N, hen. M-E-N, men. P-E-N, pen. T-E-N, ten. C1. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. B-I-N, bin. F-I-N, fin. W-I-N, win. Now D1. B-O-W, bow. C-O-W, cow. H-O-W, how. N-O-W, now. W-O-W, wow. Now E1. F-U-N, fun. R-U-N, run. S-U-N, sun. B-U-N, bun. Now question number 2. Look, listen and circle the odd man out. We have few words here. First one, bat, bed, boat, hut. Now children, tell me, what can you see? Something is different. We have B in all the words. See, B for bat, B for bed, B for boat, and H is the odd man out. H for hut is odd one. So let us circle hut. Second one, S-U-N, sun, L-O-C-K, lock, S-A-C-K, sack, S-O-A-P, soap. Now here we have all the words beginning from letter S. And lock is the word which begins from L. So lock is odd man out. Next we have cock, cat, dog, clap. Here we have dog as odd man out because it begins with letter D. Fourth one, ladder, leaf, rose, lemon. Now here all the words are beginning with letter L and rose begins from R. So rose is odd man out. Fifth one, key, pot, pen, purse. Now here everything is beginning with P except for key. Key starts with letter K. So key is the odd man out. Next, sixth one, top, toy, axe, tree. Here we have axe as odd man out because it begins from A. Thank you.